Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that'll show you how to make a book cover. Just before I do that, the platform that we're using for today's tutorial is called Canva, and once you've watched the video you can click a link in the description for this video just down below, and that will take you to a free trial version of Canva so you can give it a go for yourself. It's free to use. You can log into it with a Google account or Facebook or any email. Once you've made your account, you will arrive at this home page, which looks very similar to what I've got in front of me. You won't have a library of designs down below, but you will certainly have this strip right here of templates. So Canva is a template-based system, and what it allows you to do is browse its library of extensive templates and utilize one of them and modify it to kind of suit your needs. Okay, so today obviously we're going to be making a book cover, and it's going to be very, very quick and easy to do so, because all I'm going to need to do is type the word book cover into this search up here. You can see that it comes up with a various range of suggestions, and book cover is one of them. Once you've searched for that, you can see that I then get a library of over 4,000 templates, which I can browse. So to further refine those results, you can select one of the categories at the top. You can look for something in particular with text search, and then you can use these filter options on the left-hand side to kind of refine your results as well. Choose a different theme, style, subject, topic, and even color as well. So if I click red, for example, you can see that I now only have book covers that have the color red on them. So once you've found a template that you'd like, and there's almost guaranteed something in here somewhere that you're going to kind of use as inspiration or is very close to your idea. So once you've found that item, give it a single left click and then hit customize this template there, that little purple button. That will then open that template in the Canva editor. So it's very, very easy to use the Canva editor. It's kind of like a mobile app. All of the options are on the left hand side, so you've got a big library of elements that you can search through and just kind of drag in kind of basic shapes and images, frames. You can upload your own images if you've got logos or anything like that you want to put there. You can utilize a text box or any of these kind of template text styles here. You can also link from Google Drive and create a logo and add that in. So it's got a whole range of stuff in there. We've got a lot of other tutorials on the channel that will show you how to do that stuff specifically, but give it some time and browse that stuff and have a good look through it. The text, for example, on the template that we've chosen, just double click that to edit it. And you can put in whatever title that you want there. If, for example, that you don't like these flowers, or that you want to kind of resize them or get them out the way or make them bigger, you can do so just like that. You can hit Command and C or Control and C on a PC and Command on a Mac, and then copy, and then hit Command and V or Control and V on a PC to paste, and you can duplicate items and sort of arrange them how you want. So it's got a whole range of kind of things that you can do very quickly to kind of modify this template to suit your needs. Okay, so if you don't like that border, for example, give it a single left click, hit the little bin icon, and then it's gone. Once you're happy with your template and you like the way it looks, hit the little share button in the top right hand corner, and that allows you then to hit this little download option right here. That then gives you the option to download it as either a PDF or an image file of your choosing, depending on what you need it for. So PDF usually for printing, image or PDF for ebook, and then hit download, and that will bring this file down on any device, the one that you're utilizing right now to kind of make it. So whether it be a PC or a mobile device or a tablet, that'll then give you that as a download. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, there is a link in the description down below to try Canva out for free. So give that a click and that'll take you straight there. There's also then, if you've enjoyed the content and you'd want to see more of this nature, then give the channel a subscription and like the video. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.